What's up, friends? Just wanted to give you a quick preview of the virtual payday offerings for next week, the week beginning on April 27th, ending May 1st. Some of the stuff is the same as last week. You've still got the DoorDash raffle tickets. A couple of us seemed a little confused and thought, oh my gosh, for 50 paycheck dollars, I can get a $25 DoorDash gift card. It's not the way the currency exchange works. It's a raffle ticket. You can buy as many as you want. And then, depending on whether you bought more than other people and happen to get drawn because the probability is higher, then you might get a DoorDash gift card for $25, which could be great, but it's probability. Y'all basically have learned about this in math class, so we can't calculate it. That's tough. Second one is the Work Hard, Play Hard pass. This is one per week. You cannot get more than one per week. But if you've been working hard for 4 days that week, then you get that day of rest. Some students that I saw were like, oh, wait, can I use it this week? But you still have skills to make up from last week. So, yeah, I guess, except that you have to spend the day working on makeup skills. So, probably work hard first and then play hard second. I would recommend using them on Fridays after you did 4 days of solid work. And then a DoorDash purchase is $7,000. That is a $25 gift card, but you got to actually spend the whole $7,000, which not that many of you have that fat of bank accounts, but maybe you can earn them by knocking out some skills. If each set of 6 skills counts as a $50 deposit, you can kind of add those up, multiply, blah, 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 get to 7,000. Couple competitions for $50. You can enter into a random Kahoot competition. Why does it cost money to play Kahoot? Because the prize is a $25 DoorDash gift card as well. If for some reason you entered and you won, you get the card, but you do need to be present. So that's Thursday, April 30th at 4 p.m. A lip sync dance battle. If you want to buy any of these musical competitions, Ms. Almond and Ms. Watson are hosting. This will be on Zoom on Friday, May 1st. There's a lip sync competition on our YouTube page already between Coach Harris and Ms. Lennon. So if you want to get a sense of what that looks like, check it out. A couple of extracurricular classes you can buy admission into this week: art with Mr. Solomon, science with yours truly, Mr. Shaw. Self-care with Miss Curitan, games with Miss Thompson, gardening with, again, Mr. Shaw, graffiti history with Miss Phillips, intro to French with Miss Phillips, learn some origami with Miss Smart, and then Black and Hispanic history discussion and expression with Miss Sparrow. All of these, every single purchase, $50. Many of you have really big bank accounts, so please enjoy spending the stuff that you've earned, and I'll catch you on the other side. See y'all.